Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Amanda. If you can relate to mom life and makeup, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below because that's just what my life is all about. So in today's video, you saw the title. We're going to be unboxing finally the March BoxyLuxe box. So if you want to hear more about this and see what I got, then let's keep on watching, or just keep on watching. Okay, so what BoxyLuxe is, if you don't know, it is an upgrade from BoxyCharm. So with BoxyCharm, it's a $25 a month beauty subscription box. You get 5 full-size products in that, but with BoxyLuxe, it's every 3 months you get 8 to 9 products. Instead, it's $25 more, so it's $50 every 3 months to get 8 to 9 full-size products. The average value of the BoxyLuxe boxes are at least $250, so you get $250 worth of products for 50 bucks. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what I got. If you're new here, I do not go online and look at the spoilers. I have no idea what I got in this box, so whatever's in here is all new to me, just so you can see my reaction, my real reaction. So let's go ahead and get started. BoxyCharm, they always have a theme every month. This month's theme is pretty edgy. I have kids, you guys. Obviously, I said mom life, you know. That's the noise you hear in the background. It gives you all the products. Oops, over here, all the products and the list. I'm not going to read all of this right now. I will whenever we get to each box. So the first thing I'm gonna grab, ooh, nail polish, is this Deborah Lippmann. I'm assuming this is nail polish. Deborah Lippmann, Fire on the Horizon and Can't Stop the Feeling nail polish. The new healthy alternative to gel polish, combining the technology of Gel Lab Pro with nail color. This dual patented formula with active ingredients helps deliver health, wear, and shine. This is MSRP'd for $19. So I guess the next time I do my nails, I just did my nails yesterday. I guess I'll be using these to try them out. Nice. These are just nice spring colors. So I usually don't go for these kind of colors, but I am all about trying new things this month. So we will go ahead and try them out. Okay, so the next thing, I'm just gonna blindly go in here and just grab whatever comes first. Okay, we have an eyeshadow palette. It's a BoxyCharm collab, I think, or maybe it's just, no, I think it's just an actual BoxyCharm palette. It says Hello Charmer on it, and it says this exclusive Hello Charmer palette features a blend of 12 matte and shimmery shades made specifically for our charmers in mind. These highly pigmented colors deliver maximum payoff while providing smooth textures for transitional day to night looks. This is MSRP'd at $39. I almost said $99. That would be ridiculous, right? They look okay. You get a nice little, you get this kind of mirror. It's a little awkward, but it gets the job done. You know, you can see it. It's a good quality mirror. We'll do a couple of shades, swatches. They feel really nice. The swipe up shade right here, very, very soft. Like, you don't put pressure on that or it's gonna mess it up. So this is swipe up. It's like a glitter, I think. I mean, it's a glitter, so I'm assuming it's supposed to be like that. If I use this, I would pat it down. Boxy. So you can use this as a base for other shadows. This is Charmer. And that seems really nice. And then full size. And that looks like a black base with blue reflex in it. We will do a review on this on a different day, or I might just do this like on a Facebook Live, so follow me on Facebook to see how this works and how we like it. So, alright, going blindly back in here, we're going, yes, I got this Sol Coco Cabana cream. These things usually smell so good. I'll read about it and then we'll open it up and I will do the sniff test. The Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum. Oh, the Bum Bum cream is amazing. Plus a Coco Cabana cream duo. This duo of Sol de Janeiro's iconic body creams comes complete with the Brazilian Bum Bum cream, which helps to visibly tighten the appearance of skin with an additive pistachio and salted caramel scent. The Coco Cabana body cream provides 72 hours of hydration with a deliciously complex fragrance of young green coconut cream. Tropical orchid I always said orchid. It's orchid. I'm putting orchard and orchid in the same, you know. And toasted praline. This is MSRP'd at $15. It's like heaven. Smell.
It smells like cupcake.
It smells like cupcakes. That passed every test. I knew I was going to like that. I'm so glad that that was in a box. I ran out of Bum Bum Cream a long time ago, so I'm glad I got this one. Yay! Okay, so next up on our BoxyCharm list is, let me grab a big guy. It's a Sutra Beauty 19 millimeter 0.75 inch mini ceramic curling iron with cooling tip. Compact design, safe for all hair types. Rapid, pastel yellow. Style your hair like a professional with this mini ceramic curling iron. The compact design is safe for all hair types and has a max temperature of 307 degrees Fahrenheit. Create gorgeous curls with ease and keep your... They're trying to be quiet. Not very quiet, are they? Create gorgeous curls with ease. Keep hair healthy with even heat distribution and adjustable temperature control. This little guy is $50. Oh my god. Okay, so it comes... Ooh. You need a code for 25% off? Boxy25. There you go. And it comes with the warranty and safety card. Safety information, I guess how to use it. I am not the best. I've tried a wand. I've bought one before. I am not the best at it. Is that how you do it? No. Do you start from the bottom and then work your way up? I'm gonna have to watch some YouTube videos because I'm not the best with hair. I can straighten it, I can use a curling iron, and that's about all I could do with my hair. And I could throw it up in a bun or a ponytail or something. So this is going to be a learning thing for me. But I'm excited to have it because I do want to try it. I love the way the curls look with these. So yay for this. Alright, so our next guy we have is this. It is a Smooth Shadow Eye Pencil Duo by Elizabeth Mott. Got Pearl, and Raven. With this eyeliner pencil, they'll call you Lady Smooth. Wearing the super creamy and slightly shimmery creamy eyeliner. This gel eye pencil glides on easy, feels like satin, and goes from day to night in an instant. This is $40 for these two things. Okay, let's do a little swatcheroo here. It is shiny and it is really pretty actually. I don't know if you can actually see it.
That looks good. I can see it.
Okay, so the black has like gold reflex in it too. So these two really are actually really pretty. So they do feel really creamy and satiny, so that's good. I guess we'll try these out when we do our Facebook Live with the BoxyCharm palette. Alright, next up we have another big thing in here, which is, what is it? PMD Clean Smart Facial Cleansing Device. Soft silicone bristles, waterproof, aerodynamic, easy AA battery. PMD Clean is a smart facial cleansing device. Over 7,000 vibrations per minute. Our Sonic Glow technology not only ensures a deep cleanse, but provides a way to lift, firm, it's like firming. I'm getting up there in age, you guys. Firm and tone problem areas for a more youthful appearance. I just glanced at the MSRP. $99. Oh, it comes with the battery. Ooh, what is this little guy? What is this? I opened it up, all kinds of stuff fell out. Battery goes in there. I like that it came with a battery. It should because it's $99. I'm gonna try this tonight.
Can I try?
Unscrew base, insert battery. Use twice daily to cleanse skin for a fresh, radiant look. Use an anti-aging massager often. It's most effective when applying serums and moisturizers. Alright, so only moisturizers and can I use this with my eye cream? I mean, I don't know. What is this guy for? Oh, it's to help it stand up on the bathroom. I got it, and I love the color. Mint is my favorite color. So I feel another thing that feels like Bum Bum Cream. Yes! It is Bum Bum Cream. Oh wait.
Jordan, get out of
So I wonder if these two are together $15. Because it's the Cocoa Banana Cocoa Cabana cream duo
Look at that.
with the Bum Bum cream. So use them together and it does all that stuff. So this
Can I
stuff
look
smells
at it?
so... Oh, the Bum Bum cream. I got more Bum Bum cream. We have a Peel Gel Liner, I guess in the shade Fancy. This extremely long-wearing, waterproof formula glides onto your lips or eyes. Wear up to 7 hours without having to reapply. Its super soft formula provides a precision line and gives a professional look to the lips. Blends easily before setting. This is a $21 lip eye pencil. Let's go ahead and just try this on. The packaging is super hard to get off unless I just did it wrong. I actually kind of really like it. So it's supposed to be 7-hour wear. Okay, so I think this is the last thing, and it is a NARS Power Matte Lip Pigment. Ooh, I've never tried anything from NARS before. Potency and precision, the ultimate power couple. A powerful concentrate of our most powerful matte yet. Ooh, hopefully it's not drying. Fluid Pigment Complex. Liquefied pigment with a zero gravity feel. Introduces infinite matte color saturation with ultra flexible, long-lasting wear. This is $25. Ooh, I like the packaging. It's really cool. This is the color Get Up, Stand Up. It smells kind of vanilla-y. So I'm gonna, hold on. That is a pink. I'm not sure this pink will be good for me, but we're about to try it here. Alright, so the applicator is stiff, but it's stiff because you can use this and really use the tip of it and make sure you don't go outside of your lips here. Kind of like it. It kind of is a little bit bright. It is a good spring color. So, I don't know. Maybe I'll give this a try. We'll see. I don't know. But it feels really nice. So, yeah. But other than, like, it feels good. It smells good. I love the packaging on this. And I really enjoyed this box. I loved this box. It was a good box. It was my first BoxyLuxe box. Just to recap, we got this NARS lip pigment. We got 2 of the Sol de Janeiro creams. I got this cool little face massager thingamabobber, some lip liner, this duo eyeshadow or eyeliner sets, a curling wand, 2 nail polishes come in this little pack here, and this. Okay, so I got 9 full-size products in this BoxyCharm for this month. I got a total value of $308, and I only paid $50 for the box, so that's pretty cool. I really enjoy the Bum Bum cream. It is such a good cream. Oh my God. And I can't wait to use this tool. I will be using this tonight on my Instagram. It's Sunday, so if you are already a follower, you have already seen me use this little guy. If you're not, here's my information. Go follow me on Instagram, on Facebook, and here, YouTube. Subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Give me a like if you like this video. And if you want to join the BoxyCharm family, I will put my link down below to where you can get your own subscription box as well. Alright guys, that is it for this video. Thank you so much again for hanging out with me, watching me unbox this box. And remember to stay safe, stay inside. I hope you all are not too bored inside. I hope you guys have found something to do. Don't go outside. Don't go in public unless you absolutely have to. Keep everyone safe. It's not just about you guys. It's not just about you. It's about everyone as a whole. Let's stop this so we all can get outside and start living our best life. But in all honesty, if you've looked on Facebook, maybe on Instagram, I don't know, but at least on Facebook, you can see there's neighbors coming together. There's Jeffree Stars out there giving money to people in need. Great things are happening in this world. This is really bringing people together. As crazy as the world is right now, it is really bringing people together, and that is what we need. I think that's what God needed to happen. So let's all keep our hands clean, stay inside, and just be safe, have fun, and until next time, I will see you later. Bye. Blah, blah. So I have these. Oh, why did I put it on this finger? So next up, I'm not looking in there.
Pretend like I'm watching your video.
Oh, you are watching my video. Do you know how much $99 is? Almost 100. It smells so good.
So, this is going to start being on the movie. And here it is. Jordan, come on, let's make our video.
Yeah.
This is the patrol. This is the thing that goes right. It's Phoenix Jam.
I know. So.
It lost elements. What are you gonna do to me? Because I have the wizard staff. So this is the Phoenix Jam.
Yep.
Here it is, the Phoenix. And that's it for this video. Ew, Jordan, what are you doing? I just got my tonsils and adenoids removed.
No.
And then I get tips.
See?
And I'm starting to feel better. Be sure to stay in your house. Stay safe. Don't touch anything. Stay safe in your house.
Yeah.
I hope you're not bored in your house. But find something to do, kids, like play with your toys, all of that. This is the end of this video. I hope you subscribe to my channel. Give it a thumbs up and click the notification bell for more videos. That's it of this video. Okay, bye. This is the Phoenix Jam. There's only one of these left.
And look, everybody, so I have a box.
And I have a chase. Subscribe!
And then we'll tell how to control them.
You can watch Onward and be a family.
Yeah.